I went through all the builders and said what my plan was, what I wanted, and Lee Wetherington said we can absolutely build it.
Lee Wetherington also, the firm had an excellent reputation. And so we knew that they were top quality builders. So we only talked to, really looked at probably 3 top builders, and Lee Wetherington was by far the best.
So the design center was just awesome.
The design center had everything that you would want to consider putting in a custom home. Everything had been laid out for us, the decisions we had made, so we picked up where we had left off, and the process at the design center was really, really simple.
I thought it made the whole process completely turnkey easy.
The whole building process to me was a delight. It's very thorough, they're very good. The design center is fantastic.
Lee Wetherington took what our dream was and turned it into a house for us, and really a home.
It was not about what they built, it was about what we wanted.
The process for us was virtually painless.
Right.
Really was. It was kind of fun.
My favorite room in the house is the grand room, and then second would be the kitchen, because it's one room. So as you enter the home, you have the wow factor when you walk in the door. Lee Wetherington does a beautiful outdoor living space.
So the disappearing corner glass, all the glass gets pushed back, and we have enough room to seat 13 people. I think it was at our last meal. And some of the folks are sitting outside in the lanai area, some are sitting in the dining room area, yet they're only 5 or 6 feet apart. It's awesome.
Well, we met with the staff at Lee Shore Water Pools, and they were very accommodating to our needs.
Todd was great from the start. Had some great ideas on what to do with the lanai and the flooring. The travertine is just beautiful.
You hit a button and the water's coming out of the filter of the pool, splashing into the swimming pool.
And they were very good. We use that pool every day. It's beautiful.
To have the pool company and the builder be one is a plus.
What our family members have commented on when they come to visit is the attention to detail. There's stonework, there's tile work integrated into the hardwood floors. There's an outdoor shower in this house with these massive glass doors that allow light to come into the master bathroom.
And everybody comes here says the same thing. They're very comfortable and they enjoy their stay.
My sister is a local real estate agent. After we made the deal and my sister was still trying to decide if she was going to buy or build, she decided that she was going to build here in town. And after my experience with Lee Wetherington, she absolutely had to buy a Lee Wetherington home.
If they want to build that house of their dreams and they want to have wide open choices, absolutely, Lee Wetherington was the way to go. And the quality of the home is just excellent.
Lee Wetherington Homes has done a great job of supporting their product because their name means something to them. And I would have no problem recommending Lee Wetherington Homes to anybody that wanted to build a home.
First of all, we met some excellent craftsmen. The consistent story we heard from all of them when they would whisper in your ear was they liked building a house for Lee Wetherington because, quote, Lee Wetherington still does it the right way.
I would absolutely have Lee Wetherington build another home for me. It was beautiful and it was a very easy process.
It's really a pleasure to live here. It's like being on vacation every day of the week.